Interesting Division Problems Part 2. Today we will learn how to solve problems in daily life using division. Today there is a party at Vandana's house, and for that some guests are going to come to Vandana's house. Laddus are to be given to the guests on the way back. Papa brought the laddus from the market for the guests, but forgot to bring the boxes to keep them. Mummy asks Vandana to bring boxes from the market to keep the laddus. Vandana asks her this.
Mummy, how many boxes should I get?
Mummy does not know how many boxes are needed. She only knows that 4 laddus are to be kept in one box. She asks Vandana to count the laddus and bring that many number of boxes in which all the laddus can be kept when 4 laddus are kept in one box. Now Vandana has to find out that if 4 laddus are kept in one box, then how many boxes are needed to keep 36 laddus? Vandana looks at the laddus. Vandana has come up with an idea that she can find out in how many boxes these laddus will fit.
I know this that 4 laddus will come in a box. I tried to make groups of 4 laddus. The more groups I make, the more boxes I have to bring from the market. You two help me divide the laddus into groups, okay? I put these 4 laddus in a group. Out of the remaining laddus, let me put 4 laddus in the next group. In the same way, I make groups of 4 from the remaining laddus. Now I count these groups. There are 9 total groups. That means I have to buy 9 boxes.
That's when Mummy comes from inside. She thought that Vandana must have brought the box by now, but Vandana is still standing here.
Hey Vandana, why are you still standing here? Yes, Mummy, I am leaving now. Till now I was figuring out how many boxes I have to buy to keep 36 laddus. Oh, that is very easy. If 4 laddus come in a box, then 9 boxes are needed for 36 laddus. Mummy, how did you find the answer so quickly? It took me so long to do it. I used division and found out. How did you do it? I put the laddus in groups of 4 and then counted the number of groups. But how did you divide it? It's very easy. We have total laddus of 36 and we know that 4 laddus will come in every box. Then divide 36 by 4. When you divide 36 by 4, the answer will be the same number. I will divide and see. Do you know that to use division, you should know multiplication tables? Yes, Mummy, I know that. Okay then, you should divide and see. I have to divide 36 by 4. So I have to read a multiplication table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. That is, if 36 is divided by 4, the answer will come 9. That means I have to bring 9 boxes. Oh wow, that was easy. And I worked so hard to divide the laddus into groups. Never mind, Vandana. Now you should remember this simple way. Last time we learned that when we are given the number of parts and have to find out the number of items in them, we use division. Today we learned that when we know how many things will come in one part, we still use division. Yes, now go quickly. The laddus are to be packed before the guests arrive.
Today you learned that even when things have to be divided into small groups, division can be useful. Just as you saw Vandana dividing 36 laddus into groups of 4.